shot is up and also your right. Here goes that third shot, that one's up. And final ball. Point is up.
Chị ơi, chú qua mà nó sợ nè.
Yes, please, got yourself a prize with that last money ball. Nice job. All right, whenever you're ready, sir, in the corner, go ahead. First ball is on its way. That was a little short. Second shot is a little to your left. Third ball, no good. Money ball for 2 points is up and no good. Let's go, Sammy. 28 seconds. Here goes that first shot. Now it's up and no good. Second shot is on its way. That was a little to your left. Third ball. And for 2 on the money. Oh, no good. All right. Make all these shots. You'll be going home with a prize. You can even miss one if you want. All right, there's your. All right, make the rest of these in. All right, here goes that third shot. It's up. No good. Money ball for 2 points. It's up and no good. First ball is on its way. That one's a little too strong. Second shot's going up. That is no good. Third ball is on its way. A little too strong. Money ball for 2 points. It is no good. 29 seconds left on that clock. Looking for his first shot. Ball's up and good for 1 point. Looking for 2 points. That one's up and good. He's got to 2 points. Looking for 3. And for 4 on the money ball. Flies. He's got 14 seconds left on that clock. 2 more points gets you that prize. There's your third point. 1 more point. The third shot is on its way. No good. Play ball for 2 points. It is up. No, no good. Ball. Just 1 point shy on that prize. He got a 3-point challenge.
Ở đây. Đưa cái em à.
Alright, 1 second.
How are you doing with that cigarette?
Alright. Go ahead and take that first shot. 40 seconds on the clock. Shot right now. Got a pretty looking jump shot. Second shot is up and no good. Third ball is on its way. And no good. Money ball for 2 points. It is off the backboard and no good. He's moving on to that second rack. Let's see what you got on these next 2. First shot is up a little short. Second ball is in and out. Here goes that third shot. That one's on its way. Good for 1. Looking really on the money ball. And that's a little too strong. You got 15 seconds. 15 seconds left. 3 more points gets you that prize over here. First shot is up and a little short. Second ball is going up. That one's good. 2 points away from that prize. Money ball for the prize. It's up. Oh, no good. Just 1 money ball shy of that prize. Thanks for getting on a 3-point challenge and enjoy the rest of your day. All right, are you ready? Go ahead. First shot is a little short. Second ball's going up. Now good for 1 point, looking for 2 points. And for 3 on the money ball. And that was up for 30 seconds left. He's moving on to that next track. Being recorded, by the way. Second ball is up and good for 2 points. Looking for 3. And for 4 on the money ball and the prize. It is a little to your left. You got 18 seconds left. 2 more points gets you that prize. Here's the first shot on that last track. That one's a little short. Second ball's going up. Now it's up, no good. Here goes that third shot. And for the prize on the money ball. Future betting. Oh, no good. 1 money ball shot of that prize. Thanks for getting on a 3-point challenge. Enjoy the rest of your day. Alright, what you guys sandals or anything? Sneakers? Anything? Yeah, I got him on mine. Just in case it's slip and fall. Alright, go ahead and take that first shot. 40 seconds. Starts right there. First one's no good. Second one's going up. That one's a little short. Third ball is on its way. That one's no good. Pretty well for 2 points. It is up. And no good. You got 28 seconds left. Moving on to the second round over here. First shot is up. And that's a little short. Same ball's going up. Now it is just for 1 point. Looking for 2 points. And for 3 points on the money is up. And it's good. You got yourself 3 points with that money ball. Nice job, but just 1 more point gets away prize. Here goes that second shot. That one's up. And no good.